Hi, I want to show you an amazing video. You can see that a transformer is used for interface between a magnet and oscilloscope. When the magnet moves up and down on the transformer, then we have voltage on winding of transformer according to speed of move and distance of magnet and transformer. Circuit is easy. You need a magnet and a transformer and a oscilloscope. The circuit is like as this, because the input winding have more number of turns, so I used that for better waveform and higher magnitude.